If you clicked on this video, then most likely you are wanting to know how to make money from Facebook. I've been making a pretty penny off of Facebook for a couple months now, and I'm here today to share with you how I accomplished that.
Yes, you're welcome. I got you.
So first off, no, I did not kidnap Mark Zuckerberg. He is not in my closet. I did not sell drugs through Facebook or anything. Everything I did was perfectly legal. Initially, I got a notification that I was being invited to the Creator Fund through Facebook. And at first, I was like, what are they talking about? I was like really confused because I'm going to be quite honest. I didn't really have a knowledge at all about influencers or, that was just, I knew nothing about this. Like, I knew people made money off of social media, but it was just like not really something that I had an interest in. Maybe I was just like, that's not for me. Like, I don't know. I think I just, ooh, look at my ashy feet. I just thought that was something that I couldn't do. So when I got this email, I was like, oh, okay, whatever. Like, I kind of laughed. I actually Googled, like, what does this mean? And just kind of saw, like, okay, people are like actually making money from Facebook. So I got kind of motivated. Then I accepted the terms, and either you get invited to be monetized on Facebook or you can apply. And I'm just only talking about Facebook because I don't really know. I'm monetized on YouTube now. Like I said, like with different platforms, there are different requirements and stuff like that. I'm not one to like post on Facebook much. I really only post like pictures of my kids, and I don't know, like I'll share stuff every now and then, but I'm not like somebody who just like rants on Facebook a lot. I don't know. That's just, I don't really like Facebook that much. I don't feel like I've truly like optimized how much I could be making on Facebook. Some days I post a lot and I make money, and some days, I don't post and it's just going up like a little dollar, a dollar here, a dollar there. But it wasn't until I cashed out my first couple $100s from Facebook that I was like, okay, yeah, like there's some money to be made here. To anybody else, anyone who's trying to do this, monetized means to earn revenue from. You can get monetized on Instagram, Facebook, YouTube, whatever. There is money to be made. Honestly, there's some people out there who I notice, like, they make more posts than me. They have probably a bigger, if not the same following that I have on Facebook, or they just are on Facebook all the time. And I always think, like, you should be making money from this. Like, why be on social media for free? Like, I used to spend hours and upon hours like scrolling on TikTok. I used to be like really addicted to TikTok. On Facebook, scrolling when you could be getting paid for it. Why be on there for free when you could be making coin? Exactly. Check out being monetized. If anybody has any questions on getting monetized, comment below and I will literally try to get back to everybody. Like, I think I will. And I will answer all your questions that you have. So I know I didn't explain exactly the process about how to get monetized, but I just kind of hope that y'all will look into that. But as a person, me, a couple months ago, who didn't even know that was a thing, this is for you. Like, this video is for you to discover how much money can be actually made out there. Let me just add on to that. If you're trying to make money from Facebook, I highly recommend start a YouTube. I started like maybe 2 months ago. I think about 2 months ago, maybe 2.5 months ago now. And I'm already monetized and I've already gotten a couple of brand deals. I had no understanding of this a couple months ago. And even when I started the research before I started my YouTube channel, I didn't realize how much money is out there. So yes, I know this video was a quick one, but I just wanted to help anybody out who is unaware of the fact that you can get monetized on Facebook. You can make money. I think that my monetization status has like a cap of $30,000. After you cap the $30,000, I think it moves up to like $70,000 or $75,000. Anyone who thinks that might be a calling to them, jump on it. Don't care what people think. Don't ask anybody, should I do this? Just do it. What are you afraid of? Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.